Do you want to coach like a pro? Then this is for you. Hi, I'm Dave Severns, and I have over 40 years of basketball coaching and scouting experience. I've worked with both the LA Clippers and the Chicago Bulls as Director of Player Development and Pro Personnel Scout. I've also extended my wealth of experience beyond the NBA through international consulting. I'm excited to be teaching the NBA level player development course together with Elevator. This course is made for college managers, trainers, coaches, and assistant coaches who want to develop their skills further and gain insights into professional coaching careers. This course is also perfect for students and former players who want to transition into coaching roles at the college or professional level. Interested in basketball and want to learn how to make a player great? Then this course is right in your court. In the 12 classes, you will dive into the details of developing players at an NBA or professional level. From identifying player growth areas to designing comprehensive training programs, you will learn about skills acquisition, strategic game planning, and the use of technology and player analysis. We'll also cover scouting, coaching philosophies, and how to develop different player positions. For the final project, you'll create your own individual player development plan, including both off-season and in-season strategies. Here you will set specific goals, analyze player data, and outline key areas of improvement on offense and defense. You'll walk away with the skills to scout and develop players, create impactful training programs, and have an understanding of the dynamics of professional basketball coaching. Then, for home assignments, you'll get a chance to try everything that we've covered in class on your own. I'll also have weekly office hours if you feel like you have additional questions left over after the class. Ready to shoot for success in basketball coaching? Join our course today and start developing game-changing players. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course, and we'll see you in class.